And hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So today we'll be learning about ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. So these are the next few letters after your personal or after your usual a, I, u, e, o. So then you have your ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. So let's get started. So let's start off with ka. So ka is like this, and then just draw a. Of course, the more you practice, the better you'll get. And then you also have a little dash right there above the ka. So let's continue. So this was ka. Now let's continue to ki. So there is 1, 2, so 2 lines, and then a line going straight down and then has a sharp up. Like this is for when you're kind of like going to create the circle. So it's kind of like your pen is leaving there right before it starts drawing the circle. So it would have actually been like this, 1, 2, and then if you go like that. So if your pen didn't leave, then it would look like that. On some electronic devices, the ka might look like that. So yeah, you know both ways, but usually it's just, I mean that's ki. The ki would look like that, not ka. So this is ki. Then we have ku. So there's multiple ways to draw ku. I've seen most beginners finding it easiest to do it like this. I also did it like that at some point. So it's just like a bigger dance sign or smaller dance sign, whichever one it actually is called. But you can also draw it like this. Both ways are correct, so you don't have to worry, but that's good. Then you have ke. So ke starts off just like I. It has your starting point, and then you have a second line right there, and then ke. Let's just draw it a little bit better because that didn't come out as beautifully as I hoped. So yeah, this is your everyday ke. The more you practice, the better you'll get. So ke. And then we have ko. So ko is one of my personal favorites. Just make that it's not part of any drawing, just don't get that confused. So ko would look something like this. You draw your first top part, and then once you get down here, you continue. Just like with ki, we're basically this. It's the same thing here. You see it just stop there. You can also do this and just do another straight line though, yeah. But as you can see, that is basically ko. Some people also give it more of a circular boost. You know, it's not up to everyone's liking this circular way of drawing it. I find it quite difficult, so I draw it somewhat straight, but doing the circular way is also correct. And this is ko. Now we'll be learning something extra today because these actually have like mirror partners, we could say, the ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. So there is more to this. So we just did ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. But they have partners that go along with them. And you'll understand why I'm teaching you them in the same lesson. So then you have ga, gi, gu, ge, go. Now let's get to drawing them. So let's draw ga. So it's your normal ka-like drawing with everything, but this time it has a twist. It has 2 dashes above its already existing dash. These two make it Ga. We'll talk more about what these are and everything about them, but for right now, all you need to know is that these things, they turn this ka into ga. And the same with ki. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, and then your 2 dashes. I'm just gonna call them dashes for now, because we'll get to what they actually are called and stuff like that once we get to the Japanese fuller lessons. Then we have your gu. So either like this, like you draw your, like if you want to draw your ku like that, then gu. Or if you like to draw ku like this, gu. Then ge would be like you're drawing an E. And then there you go. And then you also have your beautiful go. So if you want to draw a little bit of a circle, you can do that. Or if you like your straightish lines, but I don't know how correct that is, but then you can do that. So that's ga, gi, gu, ge, go. And yeah, that's all I'm going to teach you guys for today. So it's just gaki kukeko and gaki kukeko. And then you guys have a week to practice before I get to the next lesson. See you all in the next.